Attitude, where we tell you your future.
Sagittarius 2021 horoscope, a look at the year ahead. Sagittarius natives 2021 is a year for development and success in your working life. However, at work, you will be torn between job security and the need to innovate, create, and have some freedom. That might bring about tension and a desire to have a change of scene, especially in January, February, June, and July. Although, on the whole, you can expect to have a great time. Romantically, it will be a year of desire and seduction. Being in a relationship or having a few crushes are on the cards for the whole year. In May, June, and at the end of December, you'll take a bit of a step back with regard to your feelings. Jupiter will lead you into a euphoric flow. You will be happy in other people's company and will expand your social life. At work, you will be attracted by risky business ventures and will be tempted by change. You'll start the year passionately by meeting someone if you are single, or having increasingly intimate moments if you are already dating someone. You'll also be presented with several opportunities to meet different people and make new friends with the support of your family members. Nevertheless, in Sagittarius 2021, you may also have misunderstandings with your partner and sometimes feel like you are walking on eggshells. That's why you should be clear about what you mean in order to avoid issues in your family life. Sagittarius horoscope 2021, favorable year for your career and academics. According to Sagittarius Astrology Prediction 2021, the year is likely to bring many surprises for you. Moreover, there is something for all age groups this year which will delight one and all. Prosperity, success, and fortune are likely to manifest across the year to please you. There are chances that your education and higher studies may be impressive and fulfilling, says Sagittarius 2021 horoscope. As the year will progress, you may also realize that the luck and divine grace is here to stay. As per your Sagittarius yearly horoscope, the initial 4 months of the year are likely to be spent in planning your activities. Energy levels will be high and so is your enthusiasm. There is a high possibility of being meticulous in your action and may also try to leave no stone unturned. According to Sagittarius predictions, the effects of good planning and execution will be seen for the rest of the 8 months of this year. Sagittarius Wealth and Property Horoscope 2021. You may invest in real estate this year. With this in mind, you may also plan to expand your wealth portfolio, like investing in real estate and even taking some exposure to commodities. All this may pay you good returns if you do the required homework and then invest smartly. Any informed decision from an expert may help you to maintain your portfolio intact. You are likely to be more particular about the services that an expert will offer, which may be the right approach when it comes to managing wealth. As per Sagittarius Property Horoscope, get all the basics in place before signing any agreement or any service of contract, as there are chances that planetary transits may not be in your favor. However, the impact of transit may differ on the basis of the position of your planets. Sagittarius Love Horoscope 2021. Safeguard yourself from your enemies. In love, you certainly have to have a spirit of adventure, for love can be risky and exciting business. Fortunately, this is something you possess in spades. With Venus in Sagittarius from the 4th, your enthusiasm and optimism will make you very attractive to new romantic partners this year, and you enter the year in a blaze of glory that is certainly appealing. There is always more than one option for you, so you are free to choose whichever feels the best fit for you. You may start the year on a romantic high with marriage. Some minor anxiety or worry may be brewing in the background. Is this something that you can share with your partner? This year can teach you lessons in terms of being more open and sharing with your loved one rather than bottling things up to avoid burdening others. There's also a beautiful sense of harmony to relationships which allows you to communicate effectively and clearly and to resolve old issues. March is a time to look out for as you are guaranteed to get what you want thanks to Venus moving into Pisces on the 17th. On the 17th of April, if love is what you want, love is what you'll get. In April, you may bring fierceness to relationships which can either make things exciting or cause arguments. As we move into late spring and early summer, beginning around June time, with Mars in Cancer from the 2nd of June, you'll feel a lot of heat and magic in your relationships as if a seed of potential is about to be planted. Longer relationships may lead to marriage. This continues through to September, where single natives get another opportunity to find love. This year is one where love can really strike and take hold. According to Sagittarius Love Horoscope 2021, with the steady progress in love and relationship, make sure you keep yourself away from people who are envious about your relationship. There can be someone close in your friend circle who may be responsible for a misunderstanding that can be created between the two lovebirds. This phase is likely to be active from May till September 2021, where a misunderstanding created may lead to temporary fights and arguments. You are likely to be surprised to see the sudden turn of events which looked beautiful and serene but suddenly created challenges for you. The pace at which the misunderstanding developed may be a warning to you that you must keep your relationship low profile. According to Sagittarius Love Life in 2021, you are advised not to show off until the time is appropriate to come to the light. You may need to guard yourself against such envious people who can be responsible to bring a wrath in the relationship that you have maintained. Sagittarius Horoscope 2021 Family Life. On January 28th, Venus moves into Capricorn, which fortifies you with respect from your family. A bit of a rebel as you certainly do things your own way, you still need to know that your family has your back, and they certainly do. On the 21st February, Venus moves into Aquarius, which intensifies your ability to bond with those younger than you. If you are a parent, auntie, or uncle, you'll enjoy closeness and greater understanding. Others may look to you for your wisdom. By the 17th March, Venus moves into Pisces, and despite your natural inclination to wander, you'll enjoy being grounded at home with family. Home truly will be where your heart is. Venus moves into Aries on the 10th of April, and you'll receive some happy news relating to your family. Positivity and success abound. Mercury moves into erratic Gemini on the 26th May, which can cause plenty of arguments. Gemini is a talker with a strong need to be heard and has been known to generate arguments and conflicts just to evade boredom. A pleasant element of this placement is that you will enjoy communicating with others. Just watch for your tendency to be pushy and difficult. Let conversation organically flow and you will enjoy it. This prickliness can continue into July, so you need to try to channel this tendency productively. Talk, plan events, have fun, journal, but don't fall out with friends and family. This is a note you should put on your fridge. You can be fairly blunt and struggle to keep a hold on your tongue. Sometimes a little tact can go a long way. Spending time with loved ones amps up a gear as you plan a trip or adventure together. This can certainly be an enjoyable summer of bonding and wonderful experiences to share. One of the best ways to connect is through action, and taking a voyage with your loved ones is a true blessing. Mars moves into Libra on October 22nd, which may leave you with little time for friends or family as you turn inward instead. People may call for you, but you'll bat them away. Even an energetic fire sign like you needs time alone. Harmony will be restored. You want to jump into life and have fun with your friends and family at the forefront of all you do. Roaring celebrations are to be had, and these are enjoyable times. Some of the true beauty of friendship and family is getting to spend carefree moments together, and this is how the year ends for you. And what could be better than that? Sagittarius Horoscope 2021, new connections are foreseen. As per Horoscope 2021 Sagittarius, this year may be favorable to expand your social circle. You are likely to be in the spree to meet new people and even new friends. The association with new friends may turn beneficial in the days to come. Moreover, if you are looking out for that one special person who can please your mind and heart, then the chances are high to fall in love with such a special person within the start of the first 3 months. According to your astrology, Saturn will transit in the second house of income and family, thus you are likely to maintain a perfect balance of the two. Work will look interesting as your work may directly lead to a rise in income. Additionally, this may give you a better state in society and shall make you proud of your achievements in career. Academically, students pursuing mass media or planning to pursue the same can successfully find their enrollment in one of the reputed institutes in the world through hard work. According to the Sagittarius horoscope, it may give you the recognition that you have been working for a very long time. The year is also good for students planning to pursue a master's program in metallurgical science. If you are writing any theses on the subject, then your findings are likely to be appreciated and even felicitated. Sagittarius Career Horoscope 2021, high chances to get a dream job. According to Sagittarius Career Astrology Prediction 2021, if you are trying for the dream job in a company or an organization of your choice, the year 2021 can prove to be lucky. The support of planets may give you some scope of improvement to make through, but the support of efforts should not be diluted in any manner. As the cosmic stars are supportive, they would also require the grace of hard work and efforts. If promised, you can be sure of achieving your dream job. In case you are into employment and planning to start a business or enterprise of your own, the phase after June 2021 will be encouraging according to Sagittarius Career Horoscope. Getting legal approvals or licenses may be easy and less cumbersome. You may also seek the support of an expert who can turn helpful around this time. But as it is said, nothing comes free in this world. If you can negotiate to offer a stake in the new venture, then this will also be a consideration that you can offer. Sagittarius Horoscope 2021, there are chances of delay in receiving the desired results from your business. According to Sagittarius Horoscope, business and professional excellence may come in a delayed fashion. However, you will see positive results with the help of your hard work and determination. The initial 3 months may see some review of your past work. Moreover, this may involve brainstorming and even identifying new avenues to explore business. Make sure your business plan is perfect and flawless, as your remaining part of the year will see maximum time in the implementation of your plan. Sagittarius 2021 Marriage Horoscope, favorable year for married couples. If you are married, the year 2021 will be full of support and expanding relationships according to Sagittarius Marriage Horoscope. You are likely to be happy with each other. After the entry of Jupiter in the sign of Aquarius, your relationship will be stronger with your life partner. All the past differences will be settled amicably, as this year of 2021 will bring a new and improved phase in married life. It would be a year of placing personal commitment in married life upon any other relationship. For those planning to raise their family, this time is auspicious after March 2021 according to your family horoscope. You may be blessed with a baby towards the end of the year if planned before March 2021. The entry of the new member in your family will be the reason for complete happiness in your life. The family will also turn supportive and may give you the extra care and confidence in your life. Married life and family will slowly turn out to become your priority in this year. Sagittarius 2021 horoscope, stay cautious about your diet. As per the 2021 Sagittarius horoscope, you are likely to be free from the affiliation of your health planets. Additionally, the year will be more progressive with regard to health and fitness. You are likely to be conscious of your diet and fitness, and this will be visible in your routine activities. Good sleep will reduce mental stress and will make you emotionally more fit and stable. Sagittarius horoscope 2021, you are likely to maintain work-life balance. According to your horoscope, wealth and property may see a rise in finance through various sources. There are chances that income and expenditure may see an act of balancing your finance, especially in business or self-employment. The conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter is ideal to help you take up most of your time to analyze the sources and verify its feasibility. Jupiter suggests you to complete this exercise before April 2021 to get the best deal in negotiation. Chances are high that you may easily convince the financial institution of your steady repayment track record to enjoy a good deal. Sagittarius 2021 horoscope, you may face challenges in your relationship. Sagittarius horoscope prediction says that natives dating each other for long may plan to tie the nuptial knot. This may be a year in which you may face many ups and downs and also differences of opinions. With the transit of Jupiter into Aquarius sign around April 2021, there are chances of postponing your marriage plan. There are also chances of silly arguments or reasons which can lead to a temporary separation only to get a patch up later on. Though you can easily patch up, the response will take time until the end of August 2021. Ego clashes should ideally be restricted around this phase. Have a wonderful 2021, all of you Sagittarians.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.